Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to identify the web elements using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. So we can identify the element using the keyword find element and find elements. So the find element is uniquely identify a web element within the web page, and find elements will identify the list of web elements within the web page, that is more than one element. So this is the syntax of the find element. So driver dot find element of by dot locator strategy. So which locator we are going to use to identify the element, we need to mention here, and then the locator value. So I have given an example also. So these are the different types of locators: ID, name, class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, and XPath. So we can see one by one. Now let's write the script. If you want to know more about the environment setup of Selenium with C#, please refer my previous video. Now first let's launch the web browser. So for that we need to write WebDriver driver equal to new. We are going to launch the Firefox browser. So we need to write Firefox driver. Then we need to give the web page which we are going to open. So for that, driver dot navigate dot go to URL, and here we need to mention the URL. We are going to use this Google home page, and we are going to identify the element of this text box. So let's copy this URL and paste here. Now we need to identify the web element. This is the syntax to identify the web element. In this example, we are going to identify this web element, this text area. So let's write the script for this. Driver dot find element by dot ID and then the locator value. So let's identify the value. So right click from this search text box and go to inspect. Here we have ID and name. So we can identify this element by ID. Paste this ID value here. So now we identify the element. Now we need to pass the search text. So for that we have a function called send keys. So dot send keys of. So let's search Selenium. Put a semicolon here. Now let's run the script. .NET run. Okay, now the search text is entered. Now what we need to do is either we need to press enter key from this search text box, or we need to press the Google search button. So let's press the enter key. So for that we have a function called keys.enter. So here we need to write plus keys dot enter. Now let's run the script again. Now we got the search result. So let's see one more example by identify the element using name. So I am commenting this line. I am writing a new script line. Driver dot find element by dot name, and here we need to enter the locator value of name. So go to the same web page, right click, inspect. So here we have the name, the value is Q. Copy this value and paste here. Then write the same syntax as we wrote for ID. So dot send keys, and here we need to enter the search text. So we can search the text as identify web elements in Selenium. Then we need to press enter. So for that, plus keys dot enter. Now let's run the script again. Okay. So now we got the search result based on the search text which we entered. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.